Hi, this is John Thow, and welcome to Slickpixels.com and our airshow review and galleries from the 2012 Chino Air Show. Daniel and I were both on site to photograph this year's show, and we're glad you stopped by for a few minutes to take a look at some of our shots. This gallery is a first for us, as it is the first of our new multimedia galleries. We've added some movement to the images, obviously some narration, but most importantly, this format works with a wider range of computer platforms, making Slickpixels available to an even broader audience. In any case, we hope you enjoy the new format, and on with the show. If you've spent any time looking around Slickpixels.com at all, then you're already well aware of the fact that we look forward each year to the Chino show. And as you can tell from our many show galleries, Chino's Planes of Fame Air Show is truly unique in its own right. Each year at Chino, they feature a different model warbird aircraft as the show marquee. This year, in honor of the Doolittle Raiders' 70th anniversary, they featured one of our personal favorites, the B-25 Mitchell. There were 3 Mitchells in attendance this year, including Pacific Princess, Photo Fanny, and Guardian of Freedom. Another highlight were the flybys of 3 A6M Mitsubishi Zeros. Now that may not sound like such a big deal at first, but when you realize that there are only 3 of these left in flying condition in the entire world, then you begin to realize how special it was to see them all in one place. There were also 3 Grumman TBF Avengers. This is an awesome aircraft, large in scale, and flew during the war with a 3-man crew. President George H.W. Bush piloted Avengers during his military career and flew an airplane that looked much like this paint scheme with the two-tone blue and white underbelly. We get asked quite a bit about why the Avenger is sometimes called the TBF and other times the TBM Avenger. So here's the answer. Grumman designed and built what is known as the TBF Avenger. However, during the war, with the need for aircraft so high, Grumman licensed the construction of the airplane to General Motors, so they also built Avengers. The TBM designates the aircraft that were built by GM. That's it. Other than that, they're exactly the same airplane. From the Razorback version of a P-47 Thunderbolt to the one-of-a-kind N9M Northrop Flying Wing, an amazing recreation of a Focke-Wulf FW-190, P-40s, P-51s, and so many more, there are simply aircraft here that you just can't see flying anywhere else in the world, let alone all together. Another great thing about coming to Chino is that in addition to the air show, you get the opportunity to check out the museums and the restoration yard. You'll notice a few shots here showing some yet-to-be restored airplanes in outdoor storage. We love combing around, checking out all there is to see that is still waiting to be stripped down and rebuilt for the museum, or that which will one day be returned to the sky. We saw an F-7, RF-84, F-8 Crusader, an F-104 Starfighter, and even the forward fuselage of a B-29, just to name a few. If you've never been out to the Chino show, know that we highly recommend it. Remember, unlike the military shows many of you are used to being at, there is an entry fee to help cover the increasing cost of fueling and flying these rare birds. It's about $20 for adults and is well worth it for a great family day at the air show. Well, that's it for now. Enjoy looking at the rest of the gallery. We hope you like the new format. My gallery and Daniel's are still separate, as is Lionel's and any of the others that we feature per show. And if you haven't already, please be sure to check out our Slick Shop, our online store with hats, authentic military patches, t-shirts, posters, and more, with additional items being added regularly. Remember, at Slickpixels.com, you have friends in high places. Thanks for coming by.